Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you having trouble using the Generative Erase feature in the Pen tab on Windows 11? Whether the tool isn't working as expected or it's not showing up at all, don't worry because in this video, I have got you fully covered with the best tips and tricks to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to force kill the pen tab on your PC. Force killing has long been a reliable way to refresh the processes of the pen tab and bring it back into action. To do so, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once to launch the task manager. And then you have to right click the pen tab in the left sidebar, and then you have to hit the End Task option at the top. And then you have to restart your PC. And once your PC has rebooted, relaunch the Pen tab and check if the Generative Erase feature has begun to work as usual. After that, I will recommend you to enable the hardware acceleration, as the Generative Erase feature heavily relies on hardware acceleration. Turning it off and back on may help you get rid of the problem. To do so, open the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to choose the System tab in the left sidebar. After that, select the Display option, and then you have to choose the Graphics option. And then you have to deactivate the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling feature and restart your PC. And once your PC has rebooted, you have to return to the same section and enable the acceleration. And then you have to check whether or not the Generative Erase feature has begun to work as usual. After that, I will recommend you to update the Pen tab on your PC. It's worth pointing out that the Generative Erase is available only in the latest version of the Windows Pen tab. Therefore, make sure that the app is updated on your device. To do so, open the Microsoft Store app on your PC, and then you have to select the Library tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down to find the Pen tab, and then you have to update it to the latest version. Then I would recommend you to clear the Pen tab's cache. Corrupted app data might be causing the problem and making life difficult for the Pen tab. Just launch the Settings app on your PC, and then you have to choose the Apps tab in the left sidebar. After that, select the Installed Apps option, and then you have to locate the Pen tab, and then you have to click on the triple dot icon right next to it. After that, select the Advanced options in the menu. And then you have to click on the Reset button to clear its cache and settings. Next up, I will recommend you to update the graphics driver on your PC. Note that the outdated graphics drivers may prevent the AI-based features from functioning properly. Therefore, update the graphics drivers to help the Generative Eraser come back on track. To do so, launch the Device Manager on your PC, and then you have to expand the Display Adapter section, and then you have to right-click on your GPU and choose the Update Driver option. Then you have to select Search automatically for drivers, and then you have to follow the instructions to update the graphics driver on your PC. And finally, I would recommend you to update your Windows device because I suspect that there is a Windows bug that is causing the problem and preventing the AI-based Generative Erase feature from functioning properly. To do so, launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to choose the Windows Update option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to check for updates, and then you have to download and install the latest Windows update, and that's about it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix Generative Erase not working problem on Windows 11. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem, and now the beloved Generative Erase has begun to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.